Description of Aptos, California. Aptos, California Travel Guide, 3 days 2 nights. Description of Aptos, California. Aptos is a small coastal town in Santa Cruz County. It offers beautiful beaches, redwood forests, and a relaxed vibe. The town is known for its outdoor activities and scenic views. Visitors enjoy a mix of nature and local culture here. Open times and days. Most outdoor attractions are open year-round. Local shops and restaurants usually operate from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. State parks like Seacliff State Beach are open from sunrise to sunset. Check specific locations online for holiday hours or seasonal changes. Precautions. Watch for slippery rocks near the shore. Bring sunscreen and stay hydrated. Follow park rules to protect wildlife and plants. Keep an eye on tides if you explore tide pools. Places must visit. Seacliff State Beach with its famous concrete ship. The Forest of Nisene Marks State Park for hiking trails. The Aptos Village for quaint shops and cafes. Rio del Mar Beach for peaceful walks and sunsets. Things to do and not to do. Do hike the trails in Nisene Marks Park. Do visit the local farmers market on weekends. Do try kayaking or paddleboarding in Monterey Bay. Don't leave trash behind on beaches or trails. Don't disturb wildlife or remove natural items. Don't swim alone or in rough water areas. Insider tips. Visit early morning to avoid crowds at beaches. Bring layers, mornings and evenings can be cool. Local coffee shops often have live music on weekends. Book accommodations in advance during summer. Possible deals. Look for combo passes for state parks online. Check Groupon for discounts on local tours or rentals. Some restaurants offer happy hour specials from 3 to 6 p.m. Local visitor centers may have coupons or event info. Best time to visit. Late spring to early fall is ideal for good weather. September offers warm temperatures and fewer tourists. Avoid winter months if you want to skip rain and cold. Affordable places to eat nearby. Freddy's Beach Cafe, casual spot near the beach with good breakfast options. Cafe Sparrow, known for fresh, organic meals at fair prices. The Bagelry, perfect for quick, tasty sandwiches and bagels. Pizza My Heart, local favorite for affordable pizza by the slice or pie. At the end of your trip, remember we built a digital business to create ongoing income so we can follow our dreams and live the ideal life. If you are looking to start your own digital business, visit newbeginning.com and find out more.